just a little bit over here to the part 27, right there. Right there, right there. Yeah, right? Okay. Do you? All right, so Connor, tell us what our problem is. What?
It's ready.
Okay, Connor's going to tell us what the problem was, and we'll show you how we. Sorry. Sorry. Go ahead.
Our problem is we have to decide if the ice melt quicker in the insulated bag or quicker outside of the bag.
All right, so this was our insulated bag, which is an insulated bag is against the lunchbox. And so what most of us have an insulated bag that we use every day. And so what we wanted to do for the summer was to find out if ice would melt faster outside of the bag as opposed to inside the bag. All right? And Levi, talk to us about what is an hypothesis?
Just a guess.
It's just a guess, that's right. And what did we guess? Our answer to the problem was?
That ice melt faster inside of the bag or outside?
Right, and which did we think it did?
Outside.
Outside the bag. And we did talk about this chart that we did. We put the question up on the chart, and everybody was given a what? Sticker. And they put their guess up here, if it was on the inside of the bag or on the outside of the bag. And most of us thought it was going to be on the outside of the bag. Okay? And so we're each sticker with one go. There we go. All right. And the title of ours was I'm Melty. And I think some of you remember that from an old movie. All right? And so Lucas is going to tell us about what materials that we have to gather up to do our experiment.
All right, first we get a bag.
And show them the bag. And that insulated bag is what?
You put a cup and you get a cup of vodka and you put it, and then you put it somewhere that you can place it in the table, and then wait for a few hours and it will change the temperature.
Okay. All right, good. Yeah, we did put a thermometer inside the bag with the ice, and we put a thermometer on the outside of the bag to see what the temperature of the room was. And we have pictures of that here. And then we put the thermometer inside the bag with ice and took the temperature of that also. All right, and now Rose is going to tell us exactly how we did this. Go ahead, Rose.
So, first, we freeze water overnight.
Yeah, froze the water.
And then we come into the dumpster and put 7 ice cubes in each cup. And we put 1 cup outside the insulated bag and 1 cup inside. Then we come back for 1 hour, and then we come back another hour so that for 2 hours.
And here's our pictures that show that in the beginning, what the ice in the plastic cups look like. How many ice cubes do we put in each? 7. And then after an hour, we had the pictures showing inside the bag and outside the bag. And then we came back after
2 hours.
and we have pictures showing how much the ice really melted on the inside and on the outside.
And the inside was littler than the outside.
Okay, and talk to us a little bit about what we observed. We kind of went over it just then, but tell them what we saw on the ice cubes after, when we first put them in, was there any water in the cup?
It was
It was all ice, wasn't it? When we first put them in, it was all ice, right? And then after an hour, which one had the most water in it? The one on the outside. And then when we came back after 2 hours, which one had the most water in it? And what did the water mean? That's what was happening to the ice. It was melting, so the one on the outside was melting faster than the one that was inside the bucket. Okay, good job. And then we have Emily. Oh, there you are. Tell us in conclusion, how did our, experiment end up? Remember? Were we right or wrong about what our prediction was? We were right, weren't we? It did what? Which one melted faster? The outside melted faster than the inside, didn't it? And that was the conclusion of it. We predicted that, yes, the outside would be faster, and we found out it was true. So we all did a good job, didn't we? All right, and that's what we're melting. Okay, good job. Okay, let's give them a big